Talks are still happening to determine whether or not Senator Robin Padilla will become the next party president of the Partido Democratico Pilipino. In a press conference on Tuesday, June 4, Senator Robin Padilla discloses the matter, saying they are still in the middle of discussions now.
Napakasarap pag-usapan no? Pagka gano'n. Pero ako ma'am, kung tatanungin mo ako, magandang posisyon yung binibigay nila. Salamat sa pagtitiwala. Maraming salamat kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PDP. Pero siyempre, ito po ay nasa loob pa rin ng pag-uusap hanggang ngayon.
According to the senator, he still wants to know what other PDP members want him to do should he be elected as the next party leader. However, Padilla repeatedly clarifies that he did not ask to be elected into such a post.
Pati po itong pagiging senador, hindi ko po ito hiningi. Ito po ay bumabagsak lang lahat sa harap ko. At kung nakikita ko pong makakagawa ako ng maganda at pwede akong makatulong sa kapwa ko Pilipino, ay tatanggapin